Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we're having here an A, a B, and a C toward the upside. Of course, we are currently in a wave C, impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Currently, we are in this wave 5 for this wave C. Inside this wave C, of course, we were looking before, of course, invalidation of this impulse, and that because, of course, the wave 1, 2, 3, 4 has interfered with your wave 1. We were before ABC, of course, it has been invalidated because after triple 1-2s, a wave 4 has invalidated this impulse, and we had to transform this, of course, wave 4 into WXY, finishing as a zigzag for W, zigzag for X, and a triangle, of course, for your wave Y, finishing wave 4. Meaning we have to start to count from here. A, B, and a C for a wave 1, and then A, B, C for your wave 2 as a zigzag, and currently we're looking for A, B, C, of course, for a wave 3 toward the upside. Now, as you can see, the price has been hit for the perfect fib level. However, it doesn't really look like a zigzag. This is the only problem that we have in this move toward the upside. Now, of course, for a zigzag, we would like to see an A, B, C toward the downside, and of course, one more leg for a wave C to finish in between those fib level perfectly. If with the wave C, of course, move higher than this, therefore invalidation for this bullish scenario, I would say this will transform into a big 3 waves up after 3 waves down, and of course you would like to see a 5 waves toward the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to hit for the 1.618 as A, B, and a C expanding flat. And in that case scenario, of course, you're having a bigger wave 4, of course, to unfold, and then moving toward the upside again for higher prices. So currently on the 1 hour chart, of course, we are looking at some red today, as you can see. Obviously, let's see what's going on. So we were looking, of course, here after a wave A as an impulse, obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing impulse, and kind of a corrective wave for a wave B. A, B, C, D, and a E, of course, and starting 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 again, meaning this correction did not finish yet. And in that case scenario, of course, we are looking probably to something else. This can be a W, A, B, C, D, and an E for your wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as expected, of course, before or yesterday for a wave 5, still looking for in the blue zone here at the 1-to-1 fib level, or yeah, probably here the 0.618 as well, which is confluence as well with the 1-to-1 as a zigzag for this wave B. A, B, and a C. So yeah, actually it was exactly what it was expected. We are currently in the wave 4. Of course, we have to adjust a little bit the waves here, and of course to assure that we are still looking for this lower price here, and then start to think, of course, to move for higher prices, hitting, of course, as those targets for, of course, bullish scenario again, a wave C. So if we take a look also at a KGT. So KGT at the 5-minute chart shows, of course, a buy signal here, but let me calculate a little bit more. Okay, yeah, no, the buy signal is still in the back. And yeah, we are looking at, of course, yeah, probably we have a bullish signal, and the divergence is appearing. Yeah, so I think that it is very close, of course, to get some bullish signal sooner or later. Here we go. We have 1 weak signal, which is might start, of course, to move a little bit higher, but preferably, of course, to get the most strongest signal as bullish. I prefer this, of course, meaning if it goes a little bit down and the CVD goes lower, the CVD is gonna be very stronger, and of course, it's gonna move a little bit for higher. However, I still think that, of course, until we get this, preferably that we finish the wave 5. So the wave 5 might finish, of course, while taking this new signal here, probably in case we did not finish in WXY, meaning, of course, in WXY that this can transform into a zigzag. And that means, of course, that as a zigzag, this wave can transform as just a zigzag like this, meaning W, X, and a Y for a zigzag. And that means, of course, that this is kind of like an impulse towards the upside, can be, or as a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And this might be, of course, your wave 2 in bullish scenario, of course. And yeah, therefore you have to watch this, of course. Your target here, the 0.618, yeah, in case we move to here and then we move for higher, therefore I would say, yeah, be careful with it. It might be, of course, a bullish scenario. In case we touch the 886, very simple, we're gonna take the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, around 201 and 210. So yeah, it's a key level here, and the 886 might be a key level. However, if we move impulsively, yeah, it's very, very easy to know. In grosso modo, I would say, like in a bigger view, yeah, so we are, of course, bullish, yeah, because whether from here or from here, it depends from where we are bullish. We just need one more leg probably and move higher, or the divergence on KGT tells us that it might be ready at any time to move for higher. So be careful from it, of course. We might see this probably. Of course, I'm gonna keep only a path here just as an arrow, just in case that happened for tomorrow. Just to remember that, of course, we have those two bearish scenarios, yeah, like this. Let me, of course, readjust this one, like this, and moving up again. Those are the scenarios that I'm looking for, of course, for Solana. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.